it's me, Anya, again. So today is our travel day to Siargao. So we are about to leave our hostel now here in Cebu, and we are going to Rico's Lechons. Let's go! We are back here again at Rico's Lechon for the big scallops. This is the best big scallops ever. Boomerang.
Cheers!
Try the calamari.
Top.
Let's try the pinakbet with lechon. This is my holy grail. Sobrang sarap. Ito, this sauce, you put it in the garlic rice. And then you eat it. And we are now here. We are flying to Siargao today, and we are still bringing our friends with us because we are planning to dive at Sohoton Cove and Jacking Horse. So, malungkot ka na, sis. Hi! Hi, ito si Krisa. Hi, Krisa. In the 25A. Na last call kaya kami dito last time. Oo. Sinundo pa kami sa taas. Oo. We are now about to go down, and we just arrived here at Sayak Airport in Siargao. It's okay. We are on our way to our hotel for this trip, and we are staying for, well, I am staying for 1 week here in Siargao, so let's go on another island trip.
Whee!
Right now I'm walking, going to my friend's hotel, and we are waiting for our motorcycle because we rented a scooter here in Siargao so we can drive around the island.
Paano kuya? Kuya, naka-hold yung brake ulit. Ang bilis. Kuya, dahan-dahan lang.
Binigay na ni ate yung isa. Thank you so much, ate. Hi, JB. Hello. We're having churros. Kasi hindi namin mahanap yung kasama namin. Yun talaga yun. Driver is waiting. At susundin na namin yung isa.
It's raining.
It's a raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. What did you get?
Pinilaw. Natry ko yung pinilaw. What about the faces?
Ready si ate. Oh. We are now eating here at Corbana. So we are having pork skewers, shrimp, and nasi goreng. So let's try it.
Ito ka ba dito?
Sarap. Right now, 4 lang kaming lumabas.
Wow! Sarap!
So we're eating the coconut.
Hey guys,
siopaw.
ang gulo. Grabe.
Wow, grabe Kapsi.
Hi, Amis followers. Grabe, hindi nakaka-fresh yung pagbubuhol ng buho ko dun sa
True.
motor.
We love Siargao! Welcome to Siargao! So we are now trying out the sweet halika ice cream.
Two flavors, mango tsaka ano? Mango tsaka...
Sarap. Ano yung isa? Hindi, hawakan ko na. Tumagat ka. Ang sweet natin. Ang sweet natin. Pakita natin sa vlog. Oh!
This is small chocolate lang. Cold spring po siya. Fresh water. Pwede po kayong maligo dito.
So we paid 600 each for the boat, 30 pesos each for the entrance. we're just having burger. Kasi I think mga pang-apat pa yata kami for the picture taking. So kain muna kami. Ang sarap! Ang order ko melon, pero ang dumating watermelon. Pero masarap naman.
Akala, masarap. Meron na yung narinig. Kachapi, be.
So, we are now leaving the Secret Lagoon. Ayan na, nakapag-shopping na.
Sando ate, magkano? Day na sando.
Nabibili mo na ba lahat eh? So, we are now here at Kanin Baboy and we are about to have our late lunch, very late lunch. These are my friends, our driver for today, JP Sullivan and Lauren Escondo.
Panalo pala to, be. Akin to. Kasi isang rice. Ang best kasi, di ba may cheese?
Totoo ba yan?
11 out of 11.
Pero, masarap. Nandito kami ngayon because we are gonna check out Andy Eigenman's coffee shop. Taste that! Sarap! Parang ng palitaw na may cheese, na may condensed milk. Good! We are now here at Katangan Bridge and this is the sunset.
Very small, very little, but
Walang
still there.
sunset.
You just have to appreciate it.
Okay, okay. We are now walking, going to the main street, and we will attend a film party tonight. And I'm with Abby and Geraldine, and the two others sa likod. Si Lauren cannot be reached. Lobat na siya. Kami ang nagwagi, napilit namin lumabas si Lauren! Dahil sa lipstick. And so we are now currently here at Tenong's and we are going to have our late dinner. Ayan ang ingay ni Lauren. It's chicken and asal. Let's eat. So only rice na siya. Pero ito ang lasa ng manok kahit hanggang loob ng malasa. So, our cravings for today is pizza and pasta. Life update. Gutom na kami. Wala nang energy. Gutom na ako, Abby. Let's eat. Ang sarap. Kakamayin ko, okay na?
Hindi lang. Thank you, bye-bye.
So we just finished chilling here at the Villa Cali and right now we are going to Cloud9. Wala na kami. We don't have our voices anymore. Hanep, my abs. You know. 2 and 3. Let's eat.
Ano ba pangalan ng shop?
No name? Taray, no name. No name.
Oh, mais mon cœur, c'était le dernier. Il n'y a plus. Moi, je pense que lui, c'est le dernier.
Wala na ako, pero go.
So my name is Janjan.
Everyone, so we're staying here for only 1 hour. I forgot to mention, we're at Kuyang Island. Yes! Let's go! Wala na kami boses. sarap. After eating our burgers, we weren't able to do anything because it started pouring rain. And after Guyam Island, we went straight to a snorkeling area, but sobrang lakas ng alon. And surprisingly, there were no fishes and the coral reefs was dead. But we were like, okay, let's just enjoy the moment and swim. We are now here at Duck Island. Ano ko mag-vlog? That giving be.
Ganito sana.
Ay, uy, ang putla ko, wait. Ganda mo, be. Ngipin. Di masarap yun. Hello. We are now here at Drunken Sushi. Chopstick. Ako, nagulat ako. Teka lang. Hindi ako okay. Hindi ako. Sobrang sarap. Ay, ganun. Sarap.
Tatanong ko. Kano ka?
Ay! 200 lang po isa. 200 lang po. Ay, kami naman yung 150.
Huling tawad na yun. Huling tawad na.
So, we rented a car to drive to the north of Siargao and learn how to surf in Pacifico.
So proud of you.
Nawawalan ako ng pero nagawa ko. Mas nakakatayo ko pero tumatalon. Nakatayo ako kaninang matagal.
Oo.
Tapos nagpalakpak pa.
Galing nito, grabe. Ito, sis.
Galing ko lumuhod. Motivate ako kay JP. Nakakailan na siya kanina.
Oh, then, sabi ko, hindi pwede. Sabi ako din, hindi pwede.
Nalalamang si JP.
Sobra. Gumaganon si JP, oh.
After surfing, we decided to go to Trogon's for lunch.
Bakit wala nang mukha mo? May part to. Patingin ulit, patingin ako. Ganda ba? Rock.
Unfortunately, it rained the whole day, so we weren't able to do anything. We were just able to go out by dinner. This was also the last day of some of our friends, so unfortunately, we weren't able to maximize our time.
Hindi tayo pwede ng ganyan.
Ayusin ko nga sana kasi hindi siya matay.
Okay lang, ako mukha lang sa'yo. Ready.
Tako na nag-vlog.
Alam mo naman si Madam. Normal day lang to.
Oo, baka
So, mo daw yan dito.
ang dami mong ginagawa.
Pagalaman natin yan.
Mas masarap daw yung fried.
Hindi yun na live.
Hindi, gusto ko ng dulo eh.
Ako din gusto ko lang.
Ako gusto ko yung gitna.
Ayan, nagkasundo na naman tayo.
Oo. Let's eat! Sarap!
Hi guys! Wait lang kasi may pulis!
Ayan ang police. So we met some new friends at the beach club and it was his birthday, so we all decided to have dinner together to celebrate. Then we went on a karaoke night, and that's how we spent our last night in Siargao. Welcome to my last day here in Siargao, and as someone na hindi mapapakali ng walang ginagawa for a few hours in such a beautiful island like Siargao, I decided to go for a surfing session alone without my friends because all of them was still sleeping, so this is me surfing at Ocean 9.
Bye, kuya! Ay, hindi pa pala.
Naninigas ang